in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step procedure on how you can easily convert video to anime by simply making use of this app called the Domo AI. Domo AI is a website, is a platform that helps you produce top quality visuals faster and consistently with style, and you can easily amplify your creativity with Domo.ai. So guys, all you want to do is to go on to start in Discord. So guys, all you want to simply do is to go on to start in Discord, and it's going to take you right onto the Discord server of Domo AI. So once you're right here, you simply just want to scroll down right here and simply go on to use demo, whereby you see the different generation tool right here. So guys, you simply tap on any of the generation tool, and once you're right here guys, all you want to do is to give this a prompt to generate your video. So you simply put in slash, and right here guys, you see the option here that says turn. Alright, so guys, you see the option here that says turn video into video. So you tap on the video. So all you want to do is to drag and drop or click to upload file. So once you're done, give this a prompt. Let's put this to be my prompt right here, and that is it right now. Once you're done, simply click on to enter, and you're going to send a command right here to Domo AI. So right here, once that is done, you want to simply select your style. We have lots of style. We have the anime view. So we have the anime view one, the flat color anime, Japanese anime. So you want to simply just select your style. So once you're done, you can easily refer to the source video or refer to the prompt. You select your time, then click on to start right here, and your video is just going to generate right here into anime right here. So you want to simply wait for a few seconds. So right here guys, as you can see, this was the original image that was imputed right onto Domo AI, but Domo AI has been able to convert this into an anime right there. So if I simply tap on this, so this is the original video, and this was generated right here by simply making use of Domo AI. So guys, if you're looking for one of the best platforms that enables you convert your video into anime, you want to simply try out domoai.app.